this is what you have to do internally and externally. You have to build a relationship within the company and also to your clients. Because again, people like you because of your personality, because who you are. It's not because of how you look. If you find this person is likable, I can trust this person, he's doing the good work, he's doing extraordinary. Interpersonality skill is very good. That's about relationship. And also for the team, they have to care each other. So if you're a friend in your company, having a problem with the work, you should help. And vice versa again, if you're having a problem, your friend also going to be cared and help you as well. So first one is relationship, caring, and also doing the best. Do extra mile, not just simply, oh, I've done the work, that's it. No, you cannot do that. You have to do extra mile. I think that's what I believe is our belief, or 3 tips of for a winning team.